You need to pick your Afro daddy, because it's flat on one side. Doom, doom. Doom, 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 doom. You need to pick your Afro daddy, because it's flat on one side. Doom, 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 doom. Well, if you don't pick your Afro, you're gonna have one side high. You said you was gonna take me to see Wu-Tang, baby. So I braided my hair. Yes, I did. Cornrowed and everything. You said you was gonna take me to see Wu-Tang, baby. So I braided my hair. You changed your mind and said we wasn't going, but my mama saw you there. Listen here. I'll be blowing up your pager, daddy, but you never call me back. I'll be putting in 911, baby, but you never call me back. No, no. See, if you don't know how to use that pager, daddy, I'm gonna take that hoe back. Yes, I will. You know I'll do it.